Zlatibor is a mountain region and resort in western Serbia, celebrated for its gentle peaks, pine forests, and clean, refreshing air. Situated at an altitude of around 1,000 meters, it has long been known as a place of health and relaxation, attracting visitors seeking nature, outdoor activities, and a calmer pace of life. Unlike the dramatic high Alps, Zlatibor's landscape is defined by soft, rolling hills and wide open meadows, giving it a distinctive and welcoming character. The area has a strong tradition of rural life. Wooden cottages, stone farmhouses, and small villages dot the countryside, reflecting centuries of pastoral culture. Livestock farming and dairy production remain important, and local specialities, such as smoked ham, prosciutto, cheeses, and traditional bread, are an essential part of Zlatibor's identity. The open pastures and mountain air contribute to the region's reputation for healthy living. Zlatibor has developed into one of Serbia's most popular tourist destinations. The central resort area offers hotels, restaurants, walking paths, and family attractions, blending modern comfort with a natural setting. In summer, visitors enjoy hiking, cycling, horseback riding, and exploring nearby natural landmarks such as the Stopica Cave and Gostilja Waterfall. In winter, Zlatibor becomes a lively ski destination, with slopes suitable for beginners and families. Culturally, Zlatibor is closely connected to Serbian traditions. Nearby open-air museums, such as Sirogojno, preserve traditional wooden houses and showcase rural crafts and customs. Folk music, regional costumes, and seasonal festivals give visitors insight into the area's cultural heritage and sense of community. Zlatibor is also known for its health tourism. The combination of clean air, mild climate, and high altitude has long been believed to benefit respiratory and overall well-being. This reputation has made it a popular destination for wellness retreats and family holidays. Overall, Zlatibor is a place where nature, tradition, and modern leisure meet. Its soft mountain scenery, rich cultural roots, and welcoming atmosphere make it one of Serbia's most loved and enduring destinations.